Do you want the health benefits of eating beans without actually feeling like you're eating beans? This chickpea and pasta soup recipe transforms them into a creamy and flavorful dinner that is also very easy to make. Start by heating the olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the onion, garlic, and rosemary and saute for about 10 minutes until the onion is softened. So either fresh or dried rosemary can be used, and both will provide slightly different qualities to the soup. Also, if you're not a rosemary fan, I include other herb variations within the recipe post. Once you stir in the salt and crushed red chili pepper flakes, add in the drained and rinsed chickpeas to the pot along with the broth. Bring to a simmer and cook for about 15 minutes, long enough for the beans to soften and the flavors to meld together. The secret to disguising the beans is blending them at this point to a smooth and creamy consistency. You can definitely use a regular blender, but I have found that anytime I need to blend hot liquids, that an immersion blender makes it 1,000 times easier. Once blended, add in the pasta and cook until tender. I highly recommend to use a very tiny pasta shape. Also, if you prefer a thinner consistency, use just a half a cup of pasta, or for a thicker consistency, use 3/4 of a cup. Garnish with finely grated Parmesan, fresh chives, and a drizzle of olive oil, and then serve with your favorite crusty bread. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.